this tow truck using Kingdom blocks, which looks like this. This is our Kingdom Man again. So this truck doesn't have a winch. We just have like a piece to represent the boom of the towing system, and it's quite off-road. Let's see how we can make it. Okay, now let's start by making the cabin. For making the cabin, we need to attach two of these pieces together. Make another one. And now we need to connect three of these big pieces to two of these small pieces. Like that. Then we attach them like this. Bend it. Like that. Now we need to bend this again. Like that. Now this is going to be our cabinet. Like that on the front. So now let's make the base. For making the base, we just need to attach two of these pieces to two of these pieces alternately and to form a square. Make another one. Place them like that. And first we'll clear the wheel for that. And then we bring in two of these pieces. Connect them like that. To the other one. Then put a big piece underneath. Like that. Now this is our chassis frame. Now you can attach this on top. See? Like that. And then this we should push it in completely, that it almost hits this one. Now we should attach this one over here. And then now for the boom. Making that, we should attach this to a wheel. This is just an outer wheel without the center one. Now after we attach that, we should attach two of these pieces together, connect them, bend this, attach them over here, like that. Now we just do a final check. Now we need to hold the vehicle up. We have made the wheels by just attaching this piece to this piece and two wheels on the other side. Make another one, attach it in the bottom, like that. Now we attach it again on this side. Like that. And then our vehicle is ready. Now we can put our man in. And voila. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. See you next time for another interesting update. Bye.